Hello everyone, I am Rkesh Kumar, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver lecture on meaning, definition and concept of research. So, searching it again and again means research. Research, to search new information to stratify old existing problems about the information. Research is defined as human activity based on intellectual application in the investigation of matter. Research, it is a process of systematic activity to reach a solution of existing problem of result. Any particular set of circumstances, whether these circumstances are experimental, controlled or recorded just as the occurs, research refers to search or knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic research for the patent information of a specific topic. Research refers to the systematic method considered of formatting of topic, hypothesis, conceptual definition, operational definition, gathering of data, analysis of data, that is the test, revising of hypothesis, conclusion, literature if necessary. Definition of research. According to Webster, research is the studious inquiry of examination, critical and excessive investigation or experimentation having for its aim and discover of new facts and their correct interpretation. It is also aimed to discovery a new fact or practical application of such new or revised conclusion. Systematic research is the essential component of two elements: observation, by which knowledge of certain facts is obtained through the sense perception, and reasoning, by which the meaning of their facts, their interrelations and their relation to the existing body of knowledge. M. Stephens and D. Slinger define research as the cyclopedia of social sciences as a manipulation of things, concept or symbols for the purpose for the generating to extend correct or verified knowledge, whether that knowledge is in construction of theory in the practice of an arts. Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answer to questions, systematic because there is a defined set of a procedure and steps with you will follow. These are the certain things in the research process which they are always done in the order to get the most accurate result. Characteristics of research. Research is directed towards the solution of a problem. Research emphasizes the development of the generalization principle of theories. Research is based on the observable experiences or empirical evidence. Research depends accurate observation and description. Research involves gathering new data from primary and first hand source of using existing data for a new purpose. So, I hope you understand this meaning, concept and definition of the research. Thank you very much.